Hello everyone, my name is Grace and I'm a voice teacher, Jin Shin Jyutsu energy healing practitioner and a clinical hypnotherapist. Earlier, I made a video on using Jin Shin Jyutsu to harmonize various effects of the first vaccine shot. I recently had my second vaccine shot. The second shot is notorious for producing even more side effects than the first one. However, this time I used even less Jin Shin Jyutsu and experienced no side effects at all. Here's what I did. The lung meridian goes through the upper arm. This lung meridian is the same as in traditional Chinese medicine and in acupuncture. However, in Jin Shin Jyutsu, we harmonize it differently. For injection on the left arm, place your left hand on your left rib. Place your right hand on the left collarbone. Place your hands in these positions and wait to feel a pulse. If you can't feel a pulse, lighten the pressure in your hands and wait. Wait till the pulse comes up and dissipates. Then remove your hands. If you still can't feel a pulse, you may place your hands in these positions for 20 minutes. Another way of harmonizing the left lung function, though, is to hold the left ring finger. You can hold the finger in any way that you like. Hold it for 20 minutes to harmonize, repeating 8 hourly or as required. For injection on the right arm, place your right hand on your right rib and your left hand on your right collarbone. Place your hands in these positions until the pulse under the hands comes up and dissipates. Alternatively, you may also hold your right ring finger for 20 minutes. You may hold your right ring finger in any way that you like. Besides easing the arm discomfort, this squeaky can help with lung swelling, coughing, chest congestion, and for increasing overall vitality. Safety Energy Lock 3 helps with the arms and the immune system. It is located on the tip of the shoulder blade. Where my fingers are is the left 3, and this is the right 3. To harmonize both safety energy locks, place your hands on the left and the right 3 like so. Wait till the pulse under your hands comes up and dissipates. Alternatively, you may hold the right and left middle finger for 20 minutes each. You may hold the fingers in any way that you like. Repeat 8 hourly or as required. Jin Shin Jyutsu is a complementary therapy to conventional medicine and not a replacement. Please seek medical assistance if you require it. Thank you very much for watching.